Hello viewers, and welcome back to another lecture number 14. Here's my channel. I'm a graphic designer. My name is Umar Jamal and the channel is Graphics. You can find me on Google by just typing Graphics and you will be directed to this page. Here is my info. You will get my videos and all of the stuff on the Google pages, and you can come to my website. Coming back to the lecture, today I'm going to discuss about another tool. I'm making the artboard to the standard size. I use 1000 pixel into 1000 pixel, and today I'm going to talk about these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 tools. For these tools I'm going to make one rectangle, and for the first tool actually we are more concerned with the stroke of anything. So here, if we give a little wider stroke so you can see it better, and choosing or selecting the width tool, what this tool will do, this will create a variable width of the stroke. As up to now we knew that we can give a stroke to any of the shape, and from here we can change the width from point to point. So here are the variable width of the stroke. So if we need any other than these 6 shapes, we can do from the width tool. So I'm clicking over here and going to the anchor point or anywhere on the segment by just clicking and dragging. So this is how it has given a variable width at this segment or between these two anchor points. So again, going to the width tool and coming back to this point, by double clicking on it you will get some parameters table that you can add it. So total width is 1105 pixels. I can reduce it, and here is side 1 and side 2. Side 1 will be the left side, I think, the upper side, and side 2 is the lower side. So we can make changes to this as well. So now this is the constraint button that tie these two values together. So if you change one, the other will change by itself. And by pressing OK, I'm going to the other point, and again I'm changing the width. From here I can change the width. The better use of this tool is when you type something. So I'm making it more smooth, and I'm writing something, or if I write G on the key on the artboard, it's very complex G, so if I write something else that would be better to understand. So I'm writing S, so here is letter S, and if you give it a width, so to you it might not look very effective or very interesting. So if I give some variable width from here, still it's not looking much cool. So it's kind of cool, but not that much. So if I go to uniform and give it the width, give it a width of my own choice. Let's see if we can reduce the anchor points. Yes, to the less anchor points, the more smooth. So here I'm trying to have as less points as possible. So here, so now what we can do, we can go to the width tool, and the rounded corners we can make it wider, but not that much wider. And from here we can give it less width, and from here as well, because the curve is up to here, so giving it less width. And here is another point we can give a wider touch, and from here less wider, then more wider, and then going closer we get 2 points, 0. And here as well, if we give it more wider touch, reduce this one and reduce from here as well. So this, you might like this one. I do like it because it kind of some artistic touch to the letter S with the variable width. So you can make changes to it. And what you can do, that you see the thing, the total preset or the values of width at different points is shown over here, and you can save it, add to profile, you can save it over here and give it letter S. Sorry for the misspell, letter S. And let's try some other letter and try to give it this preset. So I'm going to write D. So D would be like this. If I go and select the preset from here and give it more width, it's not a good shape or variable width for D, because it is meant to be for S. So for D we will have to redo it, and I'm going back to uniform and doing it my own width with the width tool, selecting it. Control plus W is Shift plus W is a shortcut for it. So first I'm going to reduce the corners here, the endpoints, not the corners, and here giving it more width at this point, and less from here to down here, and giving more on this point, less here, more at this point, less here. Yes, already more at this point, but it's not, it's too much, so we'll have to reduce it. So now this look much better with this style. So here is D and S. You can resize it and you will keep the same style to it, or you can increase the size and it will keep it the properties same. So I hope this has been informative for you. There are more tools in this section, so I will make the part of the lectures so to to complete all of these tools. Thank you very much for watching. Here is my channel. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.